If you still have no Etsy sales while your competitors make 100 sales per day, so this video will be super helpful for you. And I'm totally sure your items are not worse than your competitors' ones. So, where is the problem? Let's clarify it together. In today's video, we will talk about the following: possible reasons of the absence of sales, how to fix them as soon as possible, what secret hacks you have not known till now your competitors use. The first reason of sales absence is not clickable photos. Yes, exactly. That is not clickable photos. As for looking at your item better, at first a buyer should click on a photo and then he or she goes to a page of a listing where a buyer can explore the rest photos and also video if you added it, as well as read a description, compare prices, and only then he or she makes a decision about the sale. So the initial element in this chain means a click on your listing preview. Probably you would like to switch off the video at this moment, as surely you think your first photo is just perfect because most likely you worked on it thoroughly and for a long time. Thus, you consider it great. Maybe that is so, but not always it makes a photo clickable. I will show you one example. Take a look. This photo is really worthy on its own. But let's view how it looks like on the first page of Etsy search results among other similar items. Organizing your photo, you should always mind items shown on the first page concerning your keyword, as you will compete with them. That means your photo should be the most winning one among all of them. Let's imagine your photo is on the front page. Just take a look how it is getting lost among other items. What comes to the front? This photo, this one, but definitely not this. Against the context, our perfect at the first sight photo looks gray and ordinary. It is not clickable as it gives up the other photos on the page according to the feature, whether it comes to the front or not. So, how to fix it? Quite easy. Make your photo different from the rest ones, from the total mass. If, for example, there is a pastel color on most of photos, add some contrast color on yours, for example, red or green. If your photo is ready and there is not any opportunity to remake it, you can add a bright logo or inscription. You can use Canva for such purposes. It is very easy to add logos on your pictures and also create new mockups. I'll leave the link below in the description. Mistake number 2, which leads to sales absence, means ignoring of free shipping option. It can seem banal for you, but a lot of sellers really do not pay this factor into account. However, psychology of every buyer works this way, that more likely a buyer prefers the item with free shipping. This hack is quite worth using because Etsy itself gives preferences to items with free shipping and ranks them higher in a search. And it does not mean at all that you should pay for delivery. Initially, you need to include the value of delivery to the price of your item and mark items as free shipping. The third reason of sales absence is a discouraging description or even its total absence. Some items require a detailed description. A buyer always wants to know in advance what he or she gets, what an item is made from, what features an item will have. That is what a description is necessary for. And if buyers do not find any answers to their questions, most likely they will not get in contact with you to clarify all details because they just do not have the time for this. So almost certainly they will go out of your shop and buy items from the other seller. Creating a description, you should always put yourself in your buyer's position. Ask yourself various questions which probably you are interested in before a purchase. For example, if you are selling earrings, So ask yourself, what is their size? What materials are they made of? Are they eco-friendly? What occasion will they match? Are their clasps reliable? How fast can they be delivered? Is it possible to deliver them till some exact holiday? And so on. The sets of such questions can be absolutely different for every exact type of items, and you should answer all these questions in your description. Mind every slightest detail, as a correct description means the key to success. Fourth mistake is the usage of wrong keywords or their insufficient quantity. If you use correct keywords in descriptions of your items, titles, and tags, so it gives you some advantages in ranking of Etsy searching results concerning keywords. So basically, buyers will find your items oftener and your traffic will increase. It means your chances to sell your items also increase. The usage of correct keywords is called SEO. That means search engine optimization. As I already mentioned, correct SEO can increase your traffic greatly, and as a result, people will buy your items often. But how to understand how effective your SEO is? It is almost impossible to do manually. For such purposes, there are special websites integrated with Etsy like SellerWay. Using of SellerWay, you can check rating of your SEO for your shop and for every separate listing, as well as improve your SEO greatly just using Smart Tools by SellerWay. On the website in your personal account, there is a detailed instruction that becomes your SEO guide. And if you want to know from my video in more details how to manage your SEO correct, so watch this video about SEO. Prompt link will appear right here in the right top corner of the screen, and also I will leave the link in the description below the video. Fifth possible reason of purchases absence is that you do not use discount and sales. For sure, you have noticed other sellers use this trick. Discounts as well as free shipping are also a kind of psychological and marketing trick which influences decision of buyers to purchase this or that item. Who of us does not like discounts? If we face the opportunity to buy something worthy at a good price, we definitely do this. Discounts like buy 2 or more items and get a discount, for example 20%, work best of all on Etsy. And this is why it works the best way. When a buyer buys from you not one item but more, Etsy understands it as you have something really worthy in your shop, and furthermore likely it will show items from your shop to more and more interested buyers. You can use discounts and special offer before holidays or just at any time. It clearly boosts your shop. Use this marketing trick for increasing of your sales on Etsy. Sixth reason of the absence of regular sales is that you do not use social media for promotion of your items. Especially if your shop is quite fresh and Etsy platform shows your shop in search not very often, some additional traffic from social media could be helpful for you. Absolutely different platform will be suitable for promotion. Pinterest works quite well. Besides, it is rather comfortable to pin your items on Pinterest. You can do it just from your Etsy shop in several clicks. The key point here is to remember to add a description and hashtags. If you post your items on Pinterest regularly, so very soon you can notice in your Etsy stats that really many people come just from Pinterest. Also, there will be people among your clients who have found you on Pinterest. There are a lots of people among Pinterest viewership who are predisposed to buy. That's why the usage of this platform definitely will not be mistaken. Also, TikTok is becoming more and more popular now, and a lot of creative masters have already applied it for promotion of their items on Etsy. You can log in and watch how successful sellers from your niche are. Take a look how they shoot videos, what videos have more views and likes, what feedback audience gives, whether it is targeted audience or not who watch videos. If you have noticed that there are rather creative creators in your niche, so why not try using TikTok for your promotion? You can look at what kinds of videos get the most views and feedback and try to create something similar. You have a good chance that your video can become a viral one and millions of people will watch it. You can leave a link to your Etsy shop in your TikTok account and people can get acquainted with your items if they are interested at least in one video on your TikTok. It gives you limitless opportunities for promotion of your items on Etsy. Instagram. Instagram is one more visual platform which also matches promotion of your items in the internet quite successful. If you make something unusual and original, if you can inspire people, provoke positive emotions on your Instagram account, so more and more people will follow you. Someone from DAM definitely visit your Etsy shop, link to which you can leave in your bio and definitely buy something. One of the most important parts of selling on Instagram is good design. So, cool the branding. You can use Canva for matching best mockups, styles, and colors. This website makes your work on branding conception of your Instagram account easier. Mistake number 7. You do not follow trends. Selling what is popular and trending now gives you a great spike of traffic and brings tons of interested buyers. Absolutely any seller can follow trends, applying them to his or her items. For example, personalized items are really trending in a while. For example, if you are selling jewelry, add some personalization notes to it. If you are selling home decor, add some personalization notes to it. If you are selling clothes, again, add some personalization notes to it. Write in comments below the video what exactly you're selling and whether it is possible from your point of view to personalize your items to increase your sales. And we are smoothly moving to hacks which your competitors are using for a long time when probably you even have not known about them till today. For searching of trending items in any niche, professional sellers use special apps like Seller Way. I have already mentioned it earlier in the video when I was talking about SEO. So, Seller Way has also tools for searching of trends in any niche. With the help of Trends Plus tool from Seller Way, sellers regularly check what trends have appeared and how to use current popular tendencies for increasing of traffic to their Etsy shop. Thank you so much for watching this video. Also, follow useful Etsy groups on Facebook. I will leave the links in the description below. You can also find my free SEO guide there. Hit the like button and subscribe to this channel if the video was helpful for you. Also, make sure to watch my other videos on this channel. See you.